Ever wondered how to create a vibrant, free-spirited home? Join us to uncover 7 ways to decorate with Bohemian style and create a space that's as unique and artistic as you are. Let's bring the boho spirit into your home. Bohemian Interior Design is all about mixing textures, colors, and patterns freely. It reflects the artistic and adventurous lifestyles of artists and travelers. By combining vintage finds with natural elements, Boho Style fosters individual expression and creates inviting, personalized spaces. So let's explore 7 tips to achieve the perfect boho style in your home. Layering textures playfully adds eclectic charm to the design, mixing textiles and accents for a uniquely inviting space. Whether it's a modern sofa paired with hand-woven macrame art or a rustic table surrounded by mismatched chairs, the result is a vibrant and dynamic environment. Bold patterns and vibrant colors create a lush atmosphere in design, with jewel tones like amethyst purple and emerald green adding richness. Whether adorning walls or textiles, this eclectic mix exudes warmth and personality. The design weaves stories with treasures from travels, each item unique. Curate colors and mementos, filling corners with heirlooms and souvenirs, creating a vibrant, personalized space. Celebrate handmade and natural elements in the design, adding warmth and texture with wood, wicker, and other organics for a cozy, inviting atmosphere, while supporting local artisans. Before we go to the next tip, if you're watching this video without subscribing, remember that we upload new interior design videos every week to help you create the home of your dreams. So make sure to hit that subscribe button to never miss our latest tips, inspiration, and exclusive content. Lush greenery thrives in boho design, bringing nature indoors for an energetic vibe. Embrace a variety of plants in woven or patterned planters, echoing designer Justina Blakeney's Jungalow-style mantra. Embrace boho embellishments with beads, tassels, and sequined fabrics for a standout style. From travel trinkets to oversized statement pieces like patterned wallpaper and peacock chairs, indulge in bold adornments that define Bohemian style. Mix vintage flair into Bohemian style by contrasting old and new pieces, adding soul and character to your design. Embrace a nonchalant approach, sourcing unique finds from antique shops or garage sales to enrich your space with classic touches. Are you enchanted by the free-spirited vibe of boho interior design? Take our style quiz to discover which aesthetic resonates with you the most. Tap the link in the description to get started, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss our exciting new videos.